In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to edit a contact in your AOL email account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is over here on the right panel. If you want to expand this, you can, but there should be a little icon that says contacts. Go ahead and select that. So locate your contact on the list you want to edit, and then select the three-dotted icon that says more contact options and select edit contact, and then you can change the information through here. Select save to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.